Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to shoot this video today to talk about Exitus Lead and also affiliate marketing in general. One of the reasons why I joined Exitus Lead was because it has proven itself. I always say, find a business that you believe in, master one way of getting out to people, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, other social media, and just get good at that one way. And in affiliate marketing, if you really want to truly succeed, it's not just about selling the products. It's about connecting with other people, making yourself accessible. Help them, guide them. Don't do the work for them, because that's their responsibility, because it's their business. But guide them, give them the support they need. You're not always going to please everyone. There are some people that just aren't willing to put in the work, and they'll get all excited at the beginning, and then they'll be like, I'm so excited to get started, and then they never do anything with it. Now, there could be some reasons for that. There could be some people, they just don't have the time right now. They don't have the ability to do it yet. So don't give up on those people. They may get back into it as time goes on. Same thing with leads. Some people may come out, contact you. Like just recently, I got somebody who wanted to talk to me over the phone. I sent them an email. I also sent them a welcome email, and they haven't gotten back to me yet. Now, am I going to just keep on contacting that person and going after them? No, I don't chase after people. The people that are serious about starting their own online business are going to contact you. One quote that I always say, I don't know if anyone's ever coined it, but I always say, patience always wins out. That's why even right now, if you're not getting any results, keep putting in the work. Build that infrastructure, build that presence online, and in the end, it will you'll start getting people contacting you. Now, I haven't done a video in a couple weeks. I think it's been about 3 weeks, and this is my first video since then. And because of all the videos that I have uploaded over the last year and a half, all that content is still being put out there, so people are still finding me. So obviously I'm going to keep on putting more videos about my online business. Exitus Elite just came up with some new updates, some new payment processors that you can use to get paid your commissions. Right now we have PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Vimeo. That's a new option right now. There's a new one that's coming out. It's called Afterpay. So people can pay you your $1,000 commission if you're at the G1000 like I am, or whatever commission that whatever product level you come in at. They can pay you the full commission, but instead of them paying it completely all in one thing, they'll get it'll be divided into 4 payments instead, so they don't have to come up with the full money for the commission that they send you. So that's a new thing, and we have some updates on the call center. Now the call center will close your sales for you. If you can get your leads to that after they watch the video, send them, get them to the call center, and if they make the sale for you, you get 80% of the commission and they take 20%, which I consider pretty good, considering you did no work to do it. Originally it was going to be a 50-50 split, but Paul Stevenson, the owner, he's an amazing owner. Exitus Elite isn't going anywhere. There's so many updates that are coming, even after 9 years. But you get 80%. So let's say I get the call center closes a sale for me. I get my $1,000 commission. So that's going to go to whatever payment processor I choose, or they choose, of the ones I have. So I'll get the full $1,000 commission, and once it clears and I transfer it to the bank, I'm going to send them $200 as that commission is going to go to the person who closed the sale. Now, that's pretty good considering I did no work. Now, obviously, I always try to close all my sales, but I absolutely love Exitus Elite. So if you're going to be in affiliate marketing, I'm just going to say this one more time. It's not just about closing the sales. It's about building relationships. It's about making yourself accessible to your team. Now, can you make someone succeed? Absolutely not. You can guide them, but in the end, they're going to have to put in their own work. So, and sometimes that takes getting over some of your fears and hangups. I used to have a big fear about doing videos. Now I can do videos in my sleep if I wanted to. That's how good I am at it. And when I do videos, I always do it as if like I'm talking to a friend or a loved one. Now, that's not far off from the truth, because I do care about all of you. My channel's all about inspiring you to get out there and live your dream, to do the things that you want to do, overcome your fears, overcome all the hangups that are holding you back. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. Exitus Elite, it's an amazing opportunity. It's not going anywhere. I have no fear of bringing anybody into Exitus Elite, because I know it's the owner of this company loves his company and he loves this business, and he has a vision for the future of this business. There's so many new tools and resources that are coming to Exitus Elite. All the training and the products is always being updated. So you have training in this business as well. But if you're interested in taking a look at Exitus Elite, the description is in the link is in the description below. Exitus Elite is amazing. You can make between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions depending on which product level you come in at. And one more thing is, at whatever product level you come in at, all the lower products that are underneath that product all unlock for you at no extra cost. So when I came in at the G1000, all the lower products unlocked for me at no extra cost. So I can make between $100 to $1,000 instant commissions. So I always say come in as high as you can possibly afford. You can come in at the G1000 and 2000 right off the bat. Amazing. That's great. But come in as high as you can possibly afford, because the higher you come in, the more profit potential you can make. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.